I bought my Gin Urso jacket once upon a time. We're not doing Chef Arts today, but Chef Arts is so delicious. So many delicious things there. Today we're going to Gideon's to see if they're all sold out yet. Apparently these cookies go like hotcakes. Whoa guys, is this the line? I think this is the line for Gideon's. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a kind of Harry Potter, Diagon Alley vibe with the books. Cookies, cakes, and curiosities. But yeah, we actually made a reservation online. You have to make it like 4 days in advance, and it's not for this location, it's for the other, there's another Orlando location. So we're gonna get our cookies tomorrow. Whoa, you see like the bookseller sign that's kind of painted over. Oh man, it smells intolerably good outside this place. But yeah, look, they have giant versions of the cookies in the window. And all sorts of The Haunted Pajamas. Now that's a book I need to read. Oh my goodness. Those cookies look so good. Now I want to have cookies today and tomorrow. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, you can see me in the reflection. It's hard to see the, do you see it? Right there, the cookie. And there are a bunch more right there. So hard to get it in focus. Yum. There's the hanger bar. Everything is just so pretty. It's just such a pleasure to walk around, you know? Oh wow, here's that Amphicar launch. Dockside bar. There's Saratoga Springs. There have been so many helicopters overhead. My beverage matches the umbrellas. This is so beautiful. I don't even want to eat it. So you got chocolate? Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Cheesecake. Was it unbelievable? It was really good.
What was?
The bombolini.
That?
The Italian cream inside.
Was it the rice pudding? The bombolato.
Look at that, behind you.
No, let's get it.
Where I'm pointing.
Wow.
Bombolini. No, go
I don't think that was what Mom
What
got.
is that?
It was
That
slightly
was
different.
light Italian cream. It was a little spicy.
Little donut bite.
They said on the board that they'll put any gelato flavor you want in a warm one.
We should have.
This is so good. I think it's really, really good. Quality gelato.
We'll come back.
When you buy 3, you get the 4th free. So I was weak and I bought 3. These look so good though. My mom said they were just amazing. Oh, you're right. Those aren't the flavors we got before.
There's special crayfish. hot dog
Whoa, look at the crayfish. That's crazy. I listen to this soundtrack on YouTube all the time, so it's really disorienting hearing it in person. Because I listen to it, you know, when I'm working or when I'm working out. Or now here we are. I don't think this was built in 1938. What do you think? So I placed our Earl Sandwich order online. You can place it on the Earl Sandwich website, not the Disney World app. And I'm hoping there'll be time to run in the dress shop. It was right there waiting for us. at the pickup
Was it
window.
really?
Yeah.
But you waited a little.
Oh my goodness, they move things around. Now the dress shop is right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love the way the oh, this is like the new style of Mickey animation. This. How classic is that? Oh my gosh. Wow, Cruella. Oh my gosh, does this have like a peplum? That is too funny. And this is very dramatic looking. Oh, Casey's Corner! I didn't know they had a Casey's Corner dress. Oh, I kind of want that. It looks a lot like the cast member costume. Some backpacks. What is this? Oh, Ariel. A mermaid skirt, of course. There's that. Wow, so it is all one. It feels like it should be a shirt and a skirt somehow. Oh, that's a fun Stitch bag. Lilo and Stitch. Who's this? Cheshire Cat. Oh wow, that's fun. Tomorrowland. That's very futuristic. Super cute. Oh, I see. They should sell those gloves. Ah, this is cute. I don't know though. Is it cute enough? Don't you think they'll be selling this at the Magic Kingdom? Captain America. I like the style of this one though. And the skirt. It's very Molly, the American Girl doll. Don't you think? Balloons. Oh, that's cute. It's Hula Mini. Oh, Tommy Bahama. That's fun. Wow, I wonder why they gave this a smaller space. Look at that. Oh, is that the orange bird? Who's that supposed to be? I'm super tempted by this, but I feel like I should resist. You know? Oh, I can't decide. The tea is throwing me off a little bit. Well, it's fun to see what they have. I think I'm gonna wait and see if they have Casey's Corner at the Magic Kingdom. And I will buy it at the Magic Kingdom maybe, if they do, because I don't have time to try it on right now. But obviously, had to do a quick stop at the dress shop. You know, I thought of ordering this one online. I don't really like it as much in person. Is that Stitch the last vestige of the old world of Disney theming? Wow, you know, I was thinking I would try to take a picture with the Cinderella and Aurora, and they're gone. They used to be outside World of Disney. They've still got the dragon and some new Star Wars, there's Rey and Lego, Chewie, some of the old guard still here. Aw, these are cute. I kind of like Elsa. Anna, looking very sassy. And here's Mickey. I think this Mickey's new, isn't he? I don't remember him. Sadly, I don't think we have time for Emirates today. And I mean, we did already try the Italian. We went for Italian instead of French. I really liked my gelato thing. It was very refreshing. So as you guys heard me mention, we actually did not go to the Gideon's Bakehouse in Disney Springs. You saw the line. It was probably at least an hour. They often have lines of at least an hour. They also have a limit of, I think, 6 cookies per person, which, I mean, that is a lot. Do you really need more than 6 cookies per person? But we decided to do the online pre-order, which you can only do for their other Orlando location, which is in the East End Market. So it's about half an hour drive away from Walt Disney World. You get it in online a couple days beforehand, and you can order as much as you like. You can also get these cool little cookie bites, so it's like a quarter of one of the giant cookies completely submerged in chocolate. And I don't think they sell those at Disney Springs. I think those are only at the Orlando location. I totally forgot to film anything when we picked up the cookies at the market. I thought it was gonna be like a freestanding store the way the Disney Springs location is, but actually it's just one stall in a bigger market, and I wish we'd had more time because the other things in the market, the other shops, totally different shops, looked tasty too. But we just grabbed our cookies. They did have like similar kind of Harry Potter theming at their market stall, which was really cool. And they had these giant trays of cookies ready to bake. A huge piece of dough just completely covered in chocolate chips. These cookies are $6 a piece, so they are not cheap, but I would say they are 100% worth it. Honestly, it feels like they packed half of a package of chocolate chips onto the top of each cookie. It's kind of insane. You can definitely see why they sell out and why they are so madly popular. I have 4 brothers. We had a big group, so we did order a ton of cookies, and they were really nicely packaged, so they stayed fresh, and we ate them like basically throughout the entire trip. I wouldn't say share a Gideon's cookie because you probably would want to eat it all yourself, but don't expect to eat it in one sitting. Maybe eat half or a quarter and then like spread it out, save the goodness. Also, it is very, very rich. But yes, we were big fans of Gideon's. The boxes look delightful. Let's do the big one first. The big one. Oh, she told us they were individually wrapped within. So we got
25 cents extra.
Really? Okay, well, so this was the special of the day. Oh, it got a little bit stuck. That's it. I'm so excited. So that was like not s'mores, Rocky Road. It has almonds. Interesting. Here's that. I hope this is a good angle. Can you guys see? Can you see the cookies? There we go. All the cookies. So one of these is like mini cookies. I don't even know what to do first. Okay, so, oh wow, these are very nicely wrapped up. Peanut butter. It's nice that they're so nicely wrapped up. This looks amazing. So this is a chocolate chip. It almost seems like you can't see the dough underneath the chocolate chips. Wow. Oh, this has pistachios?
Oh, yeah.
That's very intriguing.
And brittle.
Brittle.
Toffee.
It's beautiful. I have 4 brothers who will all remember. Wow, this one seems to have some like sea salt on top. It's